Have you noticed in the morning your tummy is flat? It's okay, it's good, but then by evening time it's already big, and maybe you are afraid to drink water or eat anything because you know once you do, your tummy will become big. One thing you need to understand is this might not be bloating, right? I know we might think, oh, by the evening I'm always bloated, but this might not be bloating. It might be you have a weak core muscle. If you are a mom, you've had one child, two children, three kids, then the chances that you might not be dealing with bloating. It might be that you have a weak core muscle. Weak core muscle essentially means that your belly muscle, we have a muscle in our core, and it just means that it's stretched during pregnancy. So now there's a lot of space. Meaning in the morning, all the food I've digested, nothing is going on in there, so it's flat. But once you drink water, it wakes up your intestine. Once you eat food, it wakes up your intestine and all of that. Now, I'm not debating that some people might genuinely have bloating issue, constipation issue, which we can fix with eating and looking at the food that we eat and, trying to fix it through that area. But a lot of the time with moms that have weak core muscle, they tend to notice that once they eat food or once they drink water, the tummy gets big and it feels uncomfortable, it feels hard, it feels big, it feels, it doesn't feel right? So in terms of that, if that's the case for you, you have had a child and you notice once you eat, this becomes an issue for you, then this video is for you. My name is Eva. I'm a mom of 3, C-section mom. I'm a core rehab specialist and also a pelvic floor expert, meaning that I work with moms. I work with over 1,000 moms at this point to heal their core muscle and to get their tummy flat. Now, if you have had one child, chances are you might have a weak core muscle, but once you have 2, 3 kids, I have seen with my experience with loads of moms, is you have the diastasis recti along with your weak core muscle. So one of the signs of a weak core muscle is that when you eat, your tummy gets bigger. When you drink water, your tummy gets bigger. And when you wake up in the morning, it's not too bad. So this is what you need to do if you want to fix that. The first thing you need to do is figure out what's going on, okay? Now that we know it's not constipation, or it might not be constipation, is to figure out what is going on. Do you have a weak core muscle? Do you have the diastasis recti? This information is very important, and also figuring out the type of diastasis recti you have is also going to be very important for you. And the reason I say this is a lot of people think like when we have a big tummy or our tummy is bigger than usual. Let me tell you the difference. If you have fat, your tummy has fat in it, it's gonna stay the same. Like you can pinch it. When you pinch, you can really pinch and hold on to that fat. But specifically, if you have fat, but when you eat or you drink water, your tummy just gets bigger in general, then you might have gained weight and you still have a weak core muscle. So you can actually be dealing with two things. So let's say you've had kids, you gained some weight during your pregnancy. Yes, you might have that. But eating and getting bloated and getting big tummy, feeling uncomfortable, is a sign of a weak core muscle, okay? So figuring out if you have a weak core muscle is essential, and this is the biggest way of knowing that. Figuring out if you have the diastasis recti as well is going to help you, because this is another thing you need to heal before you can now work on getting your tummy flat again, okay? So do you have DR? If you do have DR, then we need to look at what kind of diastasis recti you have. There are 3 different types of diastasis recti. Those that have above the belly button diastasis recti, I tend to see that it's linked to a reflux, postural issues, and those that have a lower core diastasis recti, and also there are some that have a wide open diastasis recti, which is what I had with all my 3 kids. So this information is also important for you, because if you have diastasis recti and you're focusing on just doing exercises to get your tummy flat, it's not going to work. If you have an upper core diastasis recti and you're doing lower core exercises to heal your deep core muscles, but you're focusing on tightening, engaging your lower core, it's not going to heal your DR, and in essence, we are not going to get your tummy back. So this is important, even though it sounds like, it is important you know what is going on, because that will educate you on the next step. Also, keeping an eye on your pelvic floor is going to be essential, because your pelvic floor is also part of your core muscle as well. So if you have an overactive pelvic floor, you leak urine, you have a prolapse, this is essential, and building and healing that is going to help you with getting your tummy flat again. So I just want to say in this video that if you find that you're bloated all the time, you find that in the morning your tummy is flat and in the evening time is bloated, is big, it is not sign of constipation unless you are actually feeling pain. So if it is that and you have had a child, then consider that you might have a weak core muscle or diastasis recti, and healing that and strengthening your core muscle is going to help you to get your tummy flat and basically allow you so that when you eat, it's okay. Like, you're not stressed about it. You don't feel like, oh, I should not eat because I don't want my tummy to get big. So let me know in the comment section if you have any questions for me. The next best step is, once you figure this out, is the exercises to do to be able to heal it. Once you heal your core issue, then you can work on strengthening, progressive overloading, which gives you a flat tummy. But we don't get into progressive overloading and strength training until we heal the core muscle. So it will just help you in terms of your next course of action. If you want me to assess you, if you want me to create a program for you that you can do 30 minutes 3 times in a week to help you heal your core from home, just comment core in the comment section, or there's a link in my bio. You can fill it. It's absolutely free. Just tell me a bit about your pregnancy, about your delivery, and then you can book in a chat so that we can have a chat about it. See what your goals are. Do you want to lose weight? Do you want to heal your core? Do you know about the diastasis recti? I can also assess you, and then we can put a strategy plan together for you. Thank you for watching. Make sure you follow my page. Yeah, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.